Check this out. When I don't press the sensor, the LEDs glow brightly. As soon as I apply pressure, they fade out smoothly until they're completely off. All of this was created with the help of AI using Embeddable. I built this project in just a few minutes. I typed a single line. I want to connect a resistive force sensor to my microcontroller and use it to control light effects on 8 NeoPixel LEDs. Embeddable helped me design the wiring and create the code automatically. The wiring is straightforward. The force sensor connects to ground on one side, and the other side goes to an analog input pin and also to 3.3 volts through a 10 kΩ resistor. The NeoPixel strip connects to GP0 for the data line, with power and ground shared with the board. The code reads the analog value, converts it into brightness, and updates all LEDs in real time. The result? The harder you press, the dimmer the light. You can easily change how it reacts. Make it brighten instead of dim, add color gradients, or create pulsing effects. That's the beauty of creating with the help of AI. You describe what you want. Embeddable builds the rest. Try it yourself at embeddable.io.